Hi everyone, happy Halloween and welcome to Via Hires webinar, The Future of Virtual Assistants, Thriving with AI in the Age of Automation. I'm Venice.
Hi, Venice, and I am Janelle. So, we are your host for today, and we are very thrilled to have you joining us for this spectacular session.
So whether a seasoned VA or just starting your journey, today we're diving into a topic that's transforming the way we work, artificial intelligence.
Yep, and we know what some of you might be thinking. Wait, is AI going to take my job? Sounds a little scary, right?
Don't worry, there's nothing to fear. By the end of this session, you'll see how AI can actually make you more valuable and more in demand.
Exactly. So, today we'll explore how you can work with AI, not against it. So, in ways that are smart, ethical, and creative. So, grab your coffee, maybe a treat or two, and get comfy. So, because the future of virtual assistants starts right now.
All right, let's start with something fun. So, Janelle, how often do you use AI tools in your daily VA work?
Mm, Avenice is almost my best friend. What about you? How often do you use AI tools?
Let's just say it's almost the same as a work bestie.
So, what about our viewers? So, kindly drop your answers in the chat and type always, sometimes, or not yet, because we want to see where everyone's at.
Okay, so Eric says sometimes, mostly for writing captions.
Oh, that's nice. And we also got a response from Janina. She said, always, ChatGPT is my daily buddy.
Also, another one from John. He said, not yet, but excited to learn how.
Oh, I love that. So we got a good mix here. So some regular users and some just getting started.
Yes, that's exactly what we're hoping for. Whether you're an AI pro or just a curious beginner, you're all in the right place.
Right. And by the end of today's session, I'm sure even, the not yet folks will be typing always. So before we get fancy, let's clear the basics. What is artificial intelligence?
So, in simple terms, it's when computers do tasks that usually need human intelligence. Examples are writing, analyzing data, or understanding language.
Right. So when you ask ChatGPT to draft an email or Canva magically suggest a design, that's AI at work.
Exactly. Think of it as your digital assistant that helps the virtual assistant. It's your behind the scenes helper that never gets tired or runs out of coffee.
Right. So if you could Miss Venice, if we could make it, if we could make it coffee, right?
Right, maybe in the next update, Janelle. Who knows?
Who knows? Yeah. All right. So now AI might feel new, but it's been decades in the making.
So let's take a quick trip through AI history. So back in the 1950s, Alan Turing asked, can machines think? And that question literally started everything.
Right. So fast forward to 2011, Siri and Alexa entered our lives. So suddenly we were talking to machines.
And then came 2022, ChatGPT launched, and boom, the whole internet changed overnight.
I agree. So 2022 marked a real turning point for how we use technology. And by 2024, AI became a must have in the VA toolkit. So, Avnis, honestly, the future isn't coming, it's here already.
So, why should we, as virtual assistants, care about AI after all?
Maybe because it's like having an extra pair of hands and maybe even an extra brain on your team.
Definitely. It can draft your content, summarize meetings, research faster, even write SOPs while you focus on the bigger stuff.
Right, and that's the real power of AI. It frees up your time so you can shine where humans shine best. Communication, creativity, and connection.
Exactly. It's not here to replace you, remember. It's here to upgrade you.
Yeah, I couldn't agree more. So, all right, so it's time for tool time. So let's go through some must-have AI VA tool or must have AI tools every VA should know.
So, for example, for writing and research, we have ChatGPT, Perplexity, or Notion AI. And for admin and note taking, we have Otter.ai and ClickUp AI.
And for design, Canva Magic Studio and Runway ML. For automation, Zapier and Make.com. And for video or audio tasks, there are 11 Labs and Synthesia.
But don't try to master all of them at once. Pick one or two that fit your daily tasks and go from there.
Right. So try learning one new AI tool a month, and before you know it, you'll be running your own automated empire.
That's correct. So here's where the fun really starts: prompting.
So the secret sauce to getting great AI results isn't the tool, it is your prompt.
So here's the formula: role plus task plus context plus tone plus format plus constraints.
Right. So for example, you are a content VA for a real estate firm. Write three LinkedIn captions that sound confident but friendly, under 80 words each.
That's correct, Chanel. That's clear, specific, and gets you solid results every time.
Right. So don't say write something about real estate. Instead, guide it like you're training
Yeah.
your newest teammate.
And here's the golden rule: AI is only as good as what you feed it.
Right. So be specific, give context, ask for revisions, and save your favorite prompts. And you can even create your own prompt library.
And please don't overload that poor thing with 5 paragraphs of unclear instructions.
Right. So keep it clear and conversational. Remember that. And the more human your prompt sounds, the more natural the output.
Definitely. Now let's talk about responsible AI use.
So do use AI to boost productivity and do proofread every output and always protect client confidentiality.
But don't paste raw AI text directly to clients. Don't share private data and don't pretend AI did nothing.
Exactly. So AI should make your work better, remember, and not blur the line between honesty and shortcuts.
That's correct. AI can sound so confident even when it's totally wrong.
Yes, so always verify facts. Treat AI outputs as drafts, not final truth.
And remember, AI learns from what you give it, so never type in private or sensitive information.
And please, please don't get lazy, okay?
Yeah.
So use AI as a tool, not a substitute.
Because this is where your professionalism shines: integrity, accountability, and confidentiality.
Yeah, I couldn't agree more, Venice. So if an AI made error slips through, the accountability still falls on you. Remember that. So always review and personalize outputs.
That's correct. The best VAs use AI ethically. That's what builds long term trust with clients.
So let's look ahead. So new VA roles are emerging, and of course, thanks to AI.
Yes, definitely, Janelle. We're talking AI prompt specialists, automation
Mhm.
VAs, AI workflow coordinators. These roles focus on efficiency and innovation.
And these are high value roles, remember that. So if you start learning AI now, you'll be the one leading this new wave.
Because early adopters become trailblazer, and that's where you want to be, right?
Right, exactly. So let's have a quick demo here, Venice. So let's see the difference between bad prompt and improved prompt. So when you write a prompt that says, write a post about productivity, that is a bad prompt.
Now, the better one is: you say you are a social media VA for a business coach, write an
Mhm.
engaging Instagram caption about productivity for entrepreneurs under 100 words.
Way better, right? So one
Yeah.
gives fluff, the other gives value.
So better prompt is always better prompt is always equal to better output.
Right. So here let's proceed with the human advantage.
Yeah. You know what, Janelle? AI is amazing. We all know that, but it can never replace us humans.
Definitely not. So it doesn't have empathy, judgment, or that spark of creativity that makes human work human.
Yeah, so instead of competing with AI, combine your emotional intelligence with its technical power.
Right? So that will be your unbeatable combo. Remember, human plus AI equals next level VA.
So, to wrap up, learn AI tools, master prompting, stay ethical, and keep your human edge.
I agree. So, because no matter how advanced AI gets, people will always value
Yeah.
authenticity, empathy, and trust.
Okay, so before we officially close, we'd love to stay connected with you beyond today's session.
All right, so you can simply scan this QR code on the screen and it will take you directly to our official website. You can also find us on LinkedIn, Facebook, and on Instagram.
We encourage you to follow us so you don't miss future webinars, tips, and opportunities for your VA career.
All right, so this is too fast, but I've really learned a lot, Venice.
Yeah, me too, Janelle. So this has been such a fun and slightly spooky session. So thank you
Mhm.
all for joining us today.
Remember, AI isn't here to haunt your job. It's here to help you work smarter.
Exactly, Janelle. Those who learn to use it wisely will truly shine in the new age of automation.
So keep learning, keep adapting, and always lead with your one of a kind human edge.
So on behalf of Via Hire, I'm Venice.
And I am Janelle. So thank you for joining the future of virtual assistants. Have a fantastic Halloween, everyone. So stay curious, stay creative, and stay AI ready.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, everyone, for joining. Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
Bye bye.